Let's take a look at how to run the tic-tac-toe program. So first thing I want to show you is that there are two files. One of them is ticTacToeRunner.py and the other one is ticTacToe.py. So you'll make all your changes to ticTacToe.py, but when you're ready to test your program, the file that you're going to run is ticTacToeRunner.py. This is a file you do not need to edit, but if you do want to edit it, I'll guide you how to do that in just a second. But first I'm going to run it. I already have my solution right now, so you can see what it looks like when it runs. Okay, so the program prints a tic-tac. When it's completed, it will print a tic-tac-toe board just like this one. It will start with player X and ask which space do you want to move. And so hopefully by now you've read the basic book in the chapter, so that'll teach you kind of how to type in the space that you're supposed to move, but essentially you're going to use the formatting that shows up here. So for top left, you would put top -L. For the middle space in the bottom part here, you would type low -M. So you can follow that procedure along. So let's say that I want to put X on top -R. So that's that top right corner over here. Hit enter. And so your program should print out the new tic-tac-toe board and show that there's an X there now. So let's say that the player now wants to put an O right about there. And then let's say that the player wants to put an X over here. I'm going to complete this part over here so I can get tic-tac-toe. All right, good. See, the program is still running. All right, let's say that we want to put an O right in the center. And finally, let's put an X down in this bottom corner. X should become the winner. And sure enough, X becomes the winner. And that's the last piece that your program needs to do is it needs to allow X or O to win. It needs to check whether X or O has won. And it happens every time that a player makes a move. There's a check if X or O has won. So with that being said, that's really pretty much it. Just read through the ticTacToe.py file. Anywhere you see these to-do blocks, that's a call for you to take some action and to do something. And then when you're testing your program, run ticTacToeRunner.py. That will take care of calling the other file, and it will run your code. The last thing I wanted to show you was that it's a little bit customizable. If you want the program to start with the player O instead of the player X, all you have to do is change this parameter here to the player O. But other than that, you don't have to change the runner file in any way. The only file you have to change is ticTacToe.py. All right, good luck. Bye-bye.